Get these. Quick before the pigeons come back. Hello, Pete. Hello, darling. Hello. We had a lovely long chat last night, didn't we? We had a lovely long chat. I should have recorded it. You sat and talked to me for ages, didn't you? It must have been a day because Fred sat and chatted to me for ages too. Hey. Gorgeous boy. How are all the babies? Have they all fledged now? I'm presuming they have, seeing as you're molting. And I presume that was Ginny flying around here yesterday. This is lovely Pete. Gorgeous, but I was staying for a nice long chat today. Oh, we've got someone coming, he might fly. There's someone coming off the bridge, over the bridge. I've got stuff rolling down my face. Hey, hey little Pete. Oh, I've got stuff dripping down my face. Oh, well done, little Pete. Well done for being brave.